What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back with another one, man. In today's video, I'm just gonna be basically getting a nice little brush session with y'all. I know it's been a minute. I'm trying to get back into the flow of things, but you know, we're just gonna get a nice little brush session. As y'all see, I got my nice little setup right here. It go all the way down. I need to get a new one because this one is starting to rip and all this other stuff, but we're gonna get a nice little session. Like I said, I'm bouncing back. Some people, like, you know, I know y'all see my waves in the last video, and I'll let y'all know that I feel like I didn't really take care of my woof last time, and just me personally, that's how I felt. But a lot of y'all in the comments was like, hey bro, like your waves actually still came out dope after the cut and this and that. But me personally, like, I gained a few forks. Like I got a fork here, but that one always comes and goes. It just, I don't know what it is, you know. That one always comes and goes and stuff like that. But today, I'm pretty much just gonna be getting a brush session with y'all and just talking to y'all about a few things, you know. Whatever comes to mind, I'm gonna just let y'all know. But if you wanna go ahead and brush, make sure you get your brush, go ahead and brush with me. And we chilling, man. We here to brush, man. That's what y'all here for. That's why y'all here. Y'all should be brushing with me. So go ahead and pick out your brush. You feel me? That's the back right there. You know, we getting stuff back in motion. You know, I'm not back how I used to be. You know, you can fall off in the wave game a little bit. But I ain't fall off. You don't get me wrong. Come on now, like, don't get me wrong. That one little fork, stop it. There's people out here with multiple forks. The waves look nice, but they got multiple forks. What's the point? Yeah, you silky, but look at your waves. Come on now, you don't got no connections. But anyway, let me see what I'm gonna use today. I did pick up a few new brushes, man. I got that Bougie 360 brush right here. You dig? This one right here, new Torino Pro. I got this one right here. I know y'all know that one. That one's going viral right now. I had to get my hands on that. What else I got? I got another one in the room. Oh yeah, I got another one right here. This one right here, I'm telling you, this is my OG right here. This one right here got me through a lot. I ain't gonna lie. This got me through a lot. Like, this broke all of my forks the first time. So I had to order his twin, a more up-to-date one. Like, this one is the Torino Pro, you know, #91. This one don't even got a number on the brush, but I got plenty of, you know, videos on this brush, me using this brush, and this brush is still for sale. Like, this brush really helped me break a lot of stuff, but it's old. I done been used it. It's already broken. It still got a nice pull to it, but it ain't nothing like having a fresh one. You feel me? That fresh one gonna hit different. So I'll probably pull this one out for today's session. Pull the curved one out because we are trying to get that crown back locked in. Obviously, I ain't even gonna use this one because I ain't been using it. And y'all know the bristles tend to fall out with blonde brushes just for the beginning of when you first get them. So I'm gonna just get this one because I got this one like damn near broke in already. So if y'all see a few bristles come out, don't mind that. It's just shedding. It's not gonna shed, or none of the bristles gonna come out completely. It's just, you know, the loose bristles, because they stuff a lot of bristles in. So, you know, some of them may fall out. The loose ones are the ones that didn't make it fully in there. You feel me? So I'm gonna use those two brushes, and let's see. I ain't gonna comb for this one. I'm gonna pull this one out right here, this bad boy right here, just to get deeper into that crown. This one right here, you can't go wrong. This one, she been through a lot. And I do need to wash my brushes because you can tell this one is a little dirty. She's not as blonde as she used to be, like how this one is. Oh my God, that's filthy. That's nasty. I've been putting in work though. Like, I just get carried away with putting in work. So it's just like, I'll just be. So we're gonna use those, and then we're gonna break out the PB oil, man. And just to give y'all a quick review, I ain't gonna do no full review video on the oil. I'm pretty sure y'all didn't see enough videos, but honestly, I give the oil an 8 out of 10. Only reason why I give it an 8 out of 10 is because it's a small bottle. Don't get, you know, it's a small bottle. It looks big on camera, but it's small. It's not tiny. It's a nice size, but you gotta really like be careful how much you use. Like right there, that's a lot. And, you know, it's my first time grabbing it, so it's like I was just using it every day. was also using it in my nephew hair because I'm about to get him waves soon. But yeah, bro, like I give it an 8 out of 10. Like just because of the size. Like if they had a bigger size, I'd definitely give it its full 10. But other than that, it's A1. It smells good. Has a nice shine to the hair. I got it in right now, you know. But yeah, definitely an 8 out of 10, man. It's definitely an 8. Like I will buy this again, most definitely. But this time when I buy it, I'm gonna use it less. Like I'm gonna use less of it. You don't need too much. I was using a little too much, so I ran down so much. But yeah, we're gonna probably smack some of this in real quick. And boom, so I got my 3 brushes. I hope you got your 3 brushes, your oil or your products, you feel me? Whichever one you want to use. Right now I'm on my oil tip right now, just to, you know, get my hair back healthy and stuff like that. And we're gonna get ready to get this brush session in, man. So let's get it. What am I forgetting? Oh, you almost can't forget your mirror, bro. So I'm gonna just get a brush session. Y'all can lock in and get y'all session in. You feel me? I'm gonna just get my session in right now.
Nori J, I fucking love you. IC2K. Nori J, I fucking love you.
that, nice silk. Link is in the description below where you can go order. It's at www.ricosmerch.com. Follow me on Instagram at ricothewaver or at Rico's Merch. Just stay up to date on when new drops are coming, sneak peeks, wave pictures, everything, tips, anything in the DM. So make sure y'all follow me. Spam my page. Spam it with likes for a follow back. So if you spam my page, when you see this video, you spam my page, you're gonna get a follow back. I'm following back the first 50 people that spam my page. Spam my page to get a follow back. I'm gonna follow the first 50 people, man. The next video, I'll follow the next people. So I got my Rico's merch on, just like that. Dovetail in the back. We the flap out, however you want to do it. Just like that, man. It's your boy Rico. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already, man. Just run this video up to 100 likes so I can get the next video. So if y'all want me to upload to double like that, just back to back on y'all, I'm gonna need y'all to run it up to 100 likes, man. And I got a banger done